Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I don't look very friendly, don't I? I just did this Beetlejuice makeup look and my friends are coming over in a bit. I'm to show them the look before I wash it off, so please just bear with me for a bit, you won't see my face for the rest of the video. If you're new here, hello, my name is Palina, nice to meet you. Today I'm doing an updated makeup collection video. I want to update you guys on my makeup collection before the year ends, and it's a bit messy and unorganized right now because I have more makeup that can fit into those organizers and containers I have, which I'm very grateful for, but I definitely need to give some products away and declutter some products, but that's for another time. Today, let's dive into the collection. This is my makeup table, my happy beauty corner. It makes me really happy whenever I get to sit here, take my time to do self-care, skincare, play with my makeup products, create colorful makeup looks, and just have fun. Maybe let's start from left to right. We have some skincare products here. This is a Laneige lip sleeping mask. I love putting a bit of this on my lips before I go to bed at night. It smells so good and keeps my lips moisturized. I just keep this on overnight and I will wake up with soft, moisturized lips. Here I have my rose quartz gua sha and facial roller. They feel really cool. I love using them in the morning when I put on skincare and I just roll it in and really massage my face with them. Here we have some big powders and cushion cases that I can't fit into my organizers. I love using cushion foundations, but I dislike how they get discontinued after 1 or 2 years and then you can't buy the refills for the products anymore, and the new collection's refills won't fit in the old packaging. So I have some old cushion cases laying around here that I don't want to throw away, but I also can't refill them. I do use it sometimes. You can squeeze liquid foundations or foundation samples into it, but that means that the brands don't sell the official refills for it anymore, and that sucks. We have 2 little angel highlighters here. My friends love to take a look at them when they come over. Sadly, they're too big to fit into my collection. They take a lot of space. Look at how beautiful they are. Here we have some of my hair pins. They are really beautiful. I do like to wear them a lot. This is the newest one in the collection. I bought it a few days ago with friends. It's made of ebony wood. Here we have mirrors. This is my first mirror I got from Flortte when I placed my first order. It's so dreamy and beautiful, I love it. This is from Maybelline. A few years ago, they released the Lemonade Crates eyeshadow palette. When you buy the eyeshadow palette, you can get this makeup mirror for free. I didn't buy the palette, I bought some lipsticks and I asked the lady nicely if I could have this mirror and she gave it to me. I also have these 3 colorful mirrors here. So there's an online store I like to buy makeup products from, and every time I place an order, no matter what I order, they will give me a free hand mirror. I've had so many of these, I give them away to neighbors, to friends, anyone who wants them. I haven't ordered new makeup products in a long time now, but I still have these 3 mirrors left. I put them here on my table, and then when my friends come over, everyone grab a mirror and we do our makeup together here. Here we have a tabletop mirror from Maybelline. It was also a gift with purchase. When we tap this button here, the ring light will turn on. But last time a friend came over with her little brother, and the little brother had any toys that needed batteries, so I took out the batteries and gave it to her little brother, so now this can't turn on. Then we have some skincare products laying around. Sunscreen, eyelash serum. I've been using this every night. I hope I can get longer lashes. This makeup bag here contains makeup products that I'm trying to finish and use up, products in my project pen. This makeup bag here has makeup products from all categories. Sometimes I just grab this bag and I can go anywhere, sit anywhere and just do a full face of makeup, so they are really useful items. Moving on to the most exciting part, most of my makeup products stay in these 2 organizers. In the background we have a 3D puzzle I made of a beautiful Japanese scenery. Starting from the left top, we have some brushes here in the background. So I started wearing makeup when I was 14 years old. On my 14th birthday, my parents gifted me a big set of Sephora collection makeup set, makeup brush set, and this cute brush here that came in a little cute box. I've tried to find a good use for it. Sometimes I use it with powders, with loose powders. Sometimes I dip this into highlighters and sweep it all across my body, so I have like shimmers all across my body in the summer. No matter what, I'm keeping this with me. It reminds me of my 14th birthday. This blush here is my first blush from Flortte. If you guys have watched a lot of my videos, you guys know I love Flortte and it's my favorite makeup brand. It's also a Chinese makeup brand. So I like this blush a lot because I watch a lot of costume dramas. I love to see shows that plays in the fantasy or historical world of the past, and I love to see how people used to apply makeup back then. Back then, only rich ladies and noble ladies, royal ladies get to use makeup, and they would have like a blush box like this. When you open, there's loose blush powder, and they would go with a little brush in it and dip lightly on their face, and the blush boxes always look super beautiful and intricate and delicate. I like the details of the little flowers on here. Here we have some big eyeshadow palettes and a blush palette. How do you guys store your big palettes? I feel like I either stand them up and put them between my drawers or just put them on top of my drawers. This one is a limited edition NARS palette that I got from one Christmas. My friend gave me this 3CE blush palette. It's discontinued now. This is a beautiful Escape Pod palette from Kaleidos. If you guys have been eyeing this palette for a while, or you love colorful eyeshadows and doing colorful looks, this palette is super worth it. The quality is great. I love the colors, the shimmers, the mattes. The only thing though is that the foil on the packaging will start to shed and make a mess. This is a palette. I love all the shades so much and I have created many looks with it. If you have watched my videos before, comment down below which two are my favorite shades from this palette. It's a Princess Sing palette from Colourpop. It's the first separate eyeshadow palette I got after the makeup set I got from Sephora collection for my 14th birthday. As you guys can see, I hit pan on 3 shades. This is a Fade into Hue palette by Colourpop. If you are looking for an affordable, rainbow, colorful eyeshadow palette, definitely go with this one. You need to be careful though. Shades will just randomly pop out from the palette, like this one here that I smooshed back. This one just fell onto me one day. I've never had eyeshadows just falling out on me, but these ones are really soft pressed. Here's the thing, so every time I use eyeshadow and I dip my brush into the eyeshadow shades, after I'm done, I like to go with a tissue paper and wipe clean every area so that there's no excess powder or colors or dirt. But I've seen videos of people using their palette a lot, and then there's color splashes everywhere. It looked messy, but also looked so artistically messy. It looked like you're a real artist and painter when you have like a messy, colorful palette. I've been wanting to do that, but then when it gets too messy, I still feel the ick and then start to wipe them again. I'm torn between should I keep my palette clean or let it be dirty and colorful and look like an artist. I don't know. What do you guys do when you're done using the eyeshadow palette? In the first drawer, we have 2 cushions here, and then we have some single eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows. These are so pretty. My friend gave me this few days ago. I haven't tried it out yet. It's unopened. The Roman palette is a great everyday eyeshadow palette. If you're a beginner in makeup and you don't know what kind of palettes to get, check out their 10 colored eyeshadow palettes. The shades are super nice, they're not too pigmented, they're easy to work with, and there's a good ratio of shimmers and mattes. In the second drawer, we have some eyeshadows and then blushes. This one I got from my mom. It's a palette from Chanel. There's some gold and brown shades in there. My mom's favorite colors. When she does wear makeup, rarely, she would use some golden and brown eyeshadow colors. My friend bought me this eyeshadow quad from Japan. I feel like every time I pull it out, I always mention it. I exchanged this one with points and I've only used it twice, but the packaging is so delicate and so unique. This is a blush from Kaleidos. The shade is called Sanguine and I got it because I wanted to try the red under eye blush trend, and I did it and it was so cool. In this drawer, we have lip products. This is a lip pencil from Laura Mercier, then we have glosses from Chanel, and then these two are the lip maestro from Giorgio Armani. There was one year where I keep seeing lots of ads of this lip maestro in the shade 400. Barbara Parvin was wearing it, and then a lot of celebrities was using it, and I was like, I really want to get this one as well. And then my friend got it for me for my 18th birthday, and I still remember it. It's a gorgeous color, but it's really hard to pull it off. These two are Roman lip tints. If you're looking for good, affordable Korean lip tints, Roman Juicy tints are definitely a classic and definitely worth it. In this drawer, we have my flower nose blushes. Look at how cute, how delicate, and how pretty they are. Have you guys tried the blushes from Flower Nose, and which collection was your favorite? Out of the packaging, I really like the Strawberry Rococo collection. I love this cute little badge design, and I love like the color shifting pearl inside. The packaging is really cute and I love the shades as well. This is Berry Mary, such a pretty pink color. My favorite color would be this one, Siren Melody from the Moonlight Mermaid collection. You can see the embossment is already gone. I've rubbed it flat. I have been a fan of Flower Nose makeup for quite some time now, and I have bought from so many of their collections they released. I think right now I have more Flower Nose makeup products in my collection than any other brands. I also featured them a lot in my videos, and I joined their affiliate program and got a discount code with them that I shared with you guys a lot. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, for using my codes when you shop at Flower Nose. I was able to buy myself some gifts from the commissions I made, and I was also noticed by Flower Nose and they have sent me PR products, which is such a dream come true. I'm so very grateful and thankful to you guys. Thank you for being a part of my makeup and content creation journey. In the last drawer here, we have some powders. These are products with thick packaging that I stack up here. This is a color shifting highlighter. It will go on the face purple. It's from Kaleidos. This is a powder from Fenty Beauty. I bought it in the year when Fenty Beauty launched and still haven't even gotten through like half of it. The powder has 28 grams of product and it's lasting me years. This beautiful music box is a loose powder, and as you can already tell, it's so pretty, it must be from Flower Nose. These two are water-activated eyeliners from Suva Beauty. I was only able to get 2 of them, and then I can't find them in my country anymore, and then I got told by a friend a few days ago that they closed down. Here we have my most used makeup products as well as these beautiful lip colors. Let me know in the comments down below what are your favorite lip products and shades to wear. Here we have my foundations, primer, setting spray, CC cream, and this cream blush here. It's so sad once I started using it, the embossment is gone. In the back here we have some eyeliners, brow pencils. I just find that this is the best way to store them. The legendary $3 e.l.f. brow pencil, I'm so glad they didn't discontinue it. If you're looking to save money when buying makeup, just get this $3 brow pencil and then use that money to splurge on other stuff. These two are eyeliners from Flortte, one in black, one in brown. They have the cutest eyeliner packaging I've ever seen. A few days ago, they also reached out to me and gave me a discount code I can share with my followers for 10% off on their site. I will list all my discount codes and links in the description box down below. You can check them out if you want to support me and the channel or just use this code for a discount on these sites. Please don't feel like you have to get a product or need to get a product because you've seen me or other people use it in their videos. Since we work differently for everyone, especially when it comes to makeup and skincare, we have different skin types, different skin colors, tones, and textures. We have also different preferences. When a product works really well for me and suits me very well, it might not necessarily do the same thing for you, so we need to keep that in mind when purchasing new products. Going down here in the first drawer, we have products from NARS. If you shop at NARS, especially in stores, always ask them for mini blush or bronzer samples. They look like this and they can last you a long time. It's not just a one-time tester. You can actually use this for up to months. We have the very popular Laguna bronzer and Orgasm blush here. Sadly, now they don't give these samples with mirrors away anymore for free. Now you can get them in sets or buy them as minis. Now the samples look like this. And the full-size product I have here is a NARS blush in Toast. My friend gave it to me. In this drawer, we have some lipsticks from MAC. They are a classic, but I feel like not many people talk about them anymore. We have this crazy shade from the Grand Illusion lip gloss collection. It smells like mint chocolate and such a crazy color. I've worn it like a few times, but I really don't know how to pair this with any makeup look. My camera is already showing me a time limit. It seems I have talked too much and the video is already getting too long, so I will try to save some breath. Here we have more lip products. I feel very guilty when buying lipsticks because you see new shades, new textures, new collections being released, but you already have all these old lip products in your collection. The more you have, the less you use. Moving on to this corner, here we have my skincare products, some samples, a lip balm. The Vaseline Lip Therapy is really good if you're looking for a good, affordable lip balm that does the job of a high-end product. Here we have some makeup products, mostly lipsticks that I can't fit into my makeup organizers. I have more makeup than I can use up, I have more makeup than I need, and such a privileged thing to say that. A few days ago I won a Flortte giveaway and that's where I got these two products from, a liquid lipstick and a beautiful highlighter. I haven't found a spot for them yet. They hosted 2 giveaways where you have to leave a comment and tag your friends, and the most liked comments will be able to win their prizes. They ended up picking more winners than they originally decided on, which is very generous of them, and I asked all my friends to like my comment and I'm so happy that my friends supported me and I was able to win these. This is where I keep my makeup sponges and puffs. I never leave this down because then my makeup sponges will start to mold. Always make sure that you let them breathe and let them enjoy some fresh air. This is my latest obsession. You guys have seen me use the Kuromi makeup puff a lot. Here we have some contact lenses. I like to change up my eye color sometimes, especially I enjoy blue colors, green colors, and gray colors. My friend gave me the 3CE blush a few days ago. I haven't got to use it. She bought something similar to this shade, so she decided to give me this one. Cookie dough lip scrub from Lush. This smells so good and tastes so good that I always accidentally get some of this in my mouth, totally unintended. These 2 beautiful lip tints are from Cosnori. I also received them in PR a while ago, very grateful for the opportunity. And then here in this organizer, we have some eyeshadow palettes, big and small ones, and then we have some lip products, mascara standing around. This is a Clio Q-Lash mascara. I have used them in all of my videos. Sometimes I try out this mascara, that mascara here and there, but they are the best, they are undefeated. If you have straight lashes, stubborn lashes, lashes that just won't stay curled, this is a perfect mascara. It separates the lashes, it doesn't clump up and keeps your curl up for quite some hours. I know the Kiss Me mascaras are the best if you have short and straight lashes that struggle to stay up. I have used that one as well. That one does really amazing work, make your eyelashes to look so good, but they're so hard to remove. These ones are slightly easier to remove than the Kiss Me mascaras, so I've been enjoying them a lot. Here we have some eyeshadow palettes. These 2 are the Swan Ballet eyeshadow palettes from Flower Nose. I bought this one and received this one in PR. The shades are so beautiful. This is the one I'm wearing today for my Halloween look. This is the first eyeshadow palette I bought from Flower Nose. It's a Celestial Castle palette. Such wearable and pretty shades. And this one I got as a gift for scoring well in my biology test, and so my friend's little brother wanted to play with my makeup, and I was like, okay, you can play with some of these colorful shades because there are so many beautiful colorful shades in there, right? And he would dip his fingers inside and then take the shade and rub it on over his eyes, eyebrows, and on his face. He looked really cute when he played with this. Then suddenly, I wasn't watching for 1 minute, I was helping my friend with something and he destroyed the palette. He dropped it and he broke some of the shades. So he ruined the palette. Don't trust your friend's little siblings with your makeup products. These two palettes are from Colourpop. I love the art and the design on this. Such a beautiful palette. I really want it because of the beautiful packaging, but I haven't been able to do much looks with the mauve shades. Cool tone eyeshadow doesn't look good on me, but every time I see a new cool tone palette being released, I'm like, that's so beautiful, even so I know it won't look good on me. This one is Bye Bye Birdie, such beautiful shades as well. Here we have two Kaleidos eyeshadow palettes. These are some of the first eyeshadow palettes they've ever released. Very sad they aren't doing new collections and new releases lately. Electro Turquoise. And this one is Sci-Fi Green. Maybe I should have bit the bullet and bought more of their eyeshadow palettes. These two eyeshadow palettes are from Flower Nose. They are the biggest eyeshadow palettes Flower Nose have released. I'm very lucky to win this one in their giveaway, and this one I asked for it in PR. I was able to decide what I wanted for the PR gift, and I chose this palette. Beautiful wearable neutral shades. This one has some fun colors. I wouldn't be able to get this palette or receive PR at all if it wasn't for you guys, so once again, thank you so much for supporting me. I truly mean it. And this was the tour of my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have spotted something we have in common. Comment down below if there's any fun stories you want to share with me as well. I hope you have a good day. Remember to eat well, drink water, take good care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time. Bye!